language, English. Okay. Can you guys shush? I'm trying to do a video here. Guys, so I'm getting a webcam tomorrow. I got an achievement already. Beginning of exploration. I'm getting a webcam tomorrow. And I know it's coming. Ooh. I'm starting a series called just random games. This is the first random game. Well, technically Idle Streamer was, but oh. Technically Idle Streamer was, but oh. This game is called Puzzle Box. What the frig are you supposed to do? Oh, at the same time. There we go. Ah. I did. Oh, frig 'em. Ah. No! No! No ads. No ads. It's not letting me move anything. I need to do something like... I'm tapping everything I can. Let me adjust the view so you guys can see it. I cannot. Oh, flip. Oh. They did it. No, hit. Password 24. No. Copyright. Copyright. Oh no. No. Get out of here. Okay. Okay, so it just straight up told me the password. That wasn't even. Oh god. Oh no, he's going 6. I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 10 review. And so far, that review's going down. No, wait. There we go. Oh, I never got another passcode one. But one. Frick. I'm watching an ad for an award. No. Frick. No. What the frick, TikTok? I don't like TikTok. Why the frick do I have TikTok? Can I please just close the ad? Yeah, I'm getting a webcam later tomorrow, so should be able to make a computer video with that. Frick. Close. Nope. Close. Boom. Just use 2 gems. I don't freaking care. That video. Go back. Get rid of all them. I don't freaking care. Who the frick are these people? Go back to Blizzard. Those are some other videos. Oh god. Password. Can I get another thing, please? I kind of guessed that, but... Oh. You gotta type in E-I-O-E. Or E-O-I-E. No, try that. Frick. E-O-I-E. Nope, it's the other way around. Yeah, did it. Oh, no. Oh, 5. So I gotta do it from this way. 5. Then this way, 3. I have fidgety hands, so I do this all the time. Then this way, 7. Oh, this way, 3. Brick. This way, 5. This way, 3. This way, 7. This way, 3. There we go. Look, on to the next one. No. Oh. Easy. This game already is like... Oh, okay. I mean, it's a good game, but not really digging it. Oh, frick. I don't care. Yeah. Frick. No. No. Oh, this is a good random game, isn't it? We're gonna check out one of the other ones I had that are guys downloaded. I don't freaking care. You know, you gotta make a good YouTube video. Set time. So 7 through 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Can I get another hand, please? 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. I'm just gonna hold it for a long time. See what happens. Oh, by the way, I'm playing this on my phone, if you can tell. I don't get it. I gotta get to 7. 7 for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just gonna hold it, not even get out. Well, oh, finally. Open that. No, this is already bad. I just want a hint. Because you know you gotta make a good YouTube video with a different sound. I don't get this. Screw it. 3, 7, 4, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was the other one? Wait, frick, it was 7, so. Start over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Ew. 7, 7, 7. Oh. You have to get it to 7, 7, 7 somehow. Oh.
It was coming at you, supersonic speed. You assuming I'm a human, what I gotta do to get it to you, I'm superhuman.
Box. You know, that could be a good game. Oh, it has to be that line to equal pink. Okay, so it's red and blue that equals purple. Oh, that's what it makes. So we need to make orange in that line. Now it's yellow and red to make orange, so... There we go. Now for pink. We did it. Okay. Last one for today. Oh, it's a specific combination. Perfect. Let's use that hint of ours. Food chain. Oh. So it's you that eats you. No, wrong way. You. Frick. You. No. You. Was it the opposite? You. Desperate times. Fly, frog, snake, bird. Fly, frog, snake, bird. There we go. Okay. This is how food.
Our best deals are extended.
Now, I think I'm going to end it here. It's been 13 minutes, so yeah. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.